and Assalamualaikum. Today we will at L Clinic for an interview session about wellness for our trio assignment MGT 315. L Clinic is a skin and allergy clinic. They provide many services here, which are allergic tests, skin diagnosis and treatment, minor surgery, hair treatment and aesthetic services. L Clinic located at Taman Paya Rumput Perdana, Melaka. And today, we are gonna interview Dr. Usha. Let's go! But before that, we want to introduce ourselves first.
Hi, my name is Kara Maisara binti Ishak and my matrix number is 2022-628-978.
Hi, my name is Ain Sharafina binti Muhammad Shukri. My student ID is 2022617418.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Alia Natasha binti Wan Muhammad Fauzi. My student ID 2022469882.
Hi, and good evening. My name is Angelina, and this is my teammate Wan Alia dengan Kaya Masara from UiTM Belajar Melaka. So the purpose of this interview is to a lot more about skin disease and insecurity among teenagers. So first of all, how are you, Doctor?
I'm good. How are you all?
Yeah, good. Last nervous. Sure, let's start with some warming up question for you. First question is, how long have you been in the field of dermatology and work with health?
Okay, if you ask me how long I've been, almost about 4 to 5 years in dermatology and aesthetics, but in health clinic is about 7 to 8 months. Yeah.
Before we dive in, what initially attracted you to become a dermatologist?
Okay, so what actually attracted is because aesthetic and dermatology is we see patients, we don't really see patients, but we see people who, especially aesthetics, like a patient or a person who wants to make themselves look better, build their self-confidence, so they come to us. They're not patients, they're just a normal person, but they want to look better, they want to feel confident in their own skin. So yeah, in dermatology perspective, I'm really very interested in diagnosing skin condition. I really want to help those young, misfortune about their skin conditions. And one more beauty about skin is that when you solve somebody's skin disease or problem, it's the result is, you can actually see as instant as in 2 weeks time. So it's quite instant, and it gives me the feeling of satisfaction. So that's when I felt like, okay, I just fell in love with this dermatology and aesthetic field.
The question is, what is inspiration from health skin website? It says from any activity, we offer personalized experience and tailored to each community. What they mean for you in life, your unique needs based on your personality.
Yes, correct. So patients or clients come in with different skin conditions. Some come with acne issues, some come with pigmentations like melasma, freckles, or some come in with, just wanted to make their skin lighter, some wanted to become bright and all this. So we tailor we customize according to their needs, according to their what is their concern. So they come and sit to me, they say, Doctor, I'm having wrinkles, what can you do about it? So for that particular person, we will tailor a customized treatment plan according to what they want. So maybe for wrinkles, perhaps I can suggest some Botox, fillers and all that. Or if someone comes with pigmentation or melasma like that, so I can suggest, why not you go for some lasers or chemical plates. That's what we meant by unique tailoring, customized just for the patient's concern and needs. Yeah.
Let's move on to the next question. What is insecurity in your perspective?
Okay, in my perspective, insecurity means they feel lack of confidence because of their ability or their appearance. Okay, so usually it happens when mostly because of societal pressure, or they themselves comparing themselves to others, so they feel very insecure and all. So the best thing to, in my perspective, to overcome insecurity is to build self-esteem. Okay, build self-esteem, manage your negative thoughts, and of course seek, if you really can't do all this, then seek professional advice and help. Okay.
What do you think about teenage skin problem in general?
Alright, teenage skin problem. Okay, basically teenage skin problem can be a bit stressful and can make some emotional discomfort to teenagers lah. Okay, that's because actually what happens, why teenagers get this kind of skin problem is because once they reach puberty, there will be some hormonal imbalances, hormonal changes. Most of these hormonal changes will lead to increase in oil production in their face, on their face, which leads to massive acne breakout. That's why when you see teenagers, they have a lot of acne breakouts. Yes, because too much of oil production, basically sebum production lah. So when that happens, a lot of acne breakouts, so they so stress, and other skin concerns like some patients do have like uneven skin tone. I mean patients as in teenage patients, uneven skin tone, and some weight management, this kind of problems. But teenage skin problems can be handled by advising them and encouraging them to start good skincare habits while they are young. Okay.
Your skin is acne is the most common cause of disability among teenagers. As an expert, what do you think about this statement?
Okay, if you ask me, yes, acne is very common and the most that can cause insecurity among teenagers, like I said lah. Because when you're having the hormonal imbalances, when you reach puberty, you have this oil production, so acne breakouts and all that can give them stress. So yes, acne is part of teenage skin problems, but there are actually many other. For example, if you see some even suffer with body dysmorphia, young teenagers like, oh my god, I look so fat, oh my god, I look so thin. That's called body dysmorphia. So these are the common acne, body dysmorphia. These are the common skin and as well as health concerns and that teenagers usually facing. Exactly.
And last question for you, instead of skincare habit and your medical advice, do you think it's essential for you to check
Okay, so I believe in holistic care. Okay, what do you mean by holistic care is we see a patient as a whole. We don't, you come in with skin problem, we only diagnose your skin problem, or you come with wrinkles, so we do Botox and send you back. No. I believe in holistic care, meaning mental health is part of overall health. So I believe in providing information, guidance, even advising them to seek for professional like psychiatrist help in case they're suffering from mental problem. So when you take care of your mental well-being, that's when your overall health is also taken care of.
Next is for the issue question. So for this issue, you can see that nowadays there are 50.5% teenagers that are using social media in Malaysia. In social media, teenagers can see variable things, especially about people's lifestyle, like their skin, their personality. So this method tends to make teenagers feel insecure and start to compare themselves. So when they start to compare themselves, they will find a beauty product that has a prohibited items for a quick effect. So as a result, they can get a serious health disease and start to feel stressed and useless. This leads them to attempt suicide. So for this issue, what is your opinion about this?
So I actually come across many teenagers who come out with this type of mindset. They see, even they show me social media of these influencers. Say, doctor, I want skin like this, I nak kulit macam ni, like this. So when I see that actually, if you see these influencers or celebrities that we see online or even in the magazine or something, even they won't look like that when we see them in real. Yes, it's edited, it's filtered, and all these
not
things.
exactly like that.
Exactly. Even if you see Jennifer Lopez or someone, you see them, wow, they're so flawless. When you go and see them in real, that's when you see their pigmentation, their wrinkles, their real skin. So, what is my advice for teenagers is don't trust so much, don't fall for these traps, okay? So, what I advise is seek professional dermatologists or any professionals who can give you the skin advice rather than you seeking advice from all these influencers doing random videos, reels, spreading some whatever skin products and reviews. Yeah, and I have many patients who come to me, especially teenagers, after trying products from TikTok, from all these online websites, which cause, like you say, which has prohibited items, drugs like mercury. Yes. So when they use this kind of mercury products, they come with me with very bad, acne breakouts, pigmentation, that some have the burning sensation, that is so bad. And to revive back their skin, it takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, as well as a lot of investment money. Yeah, rather than trusting all these products, there's some products are not even Health of Ministry KKM certified. They are not even FDA approved and all that. These TikTok influencers and all, they just come up with all this dangerous product, and these innocent teenagers, they try it and come up with all this. And to let you know, maybe you use mercury, you will become like Snow White like that in one night or something, flawless. But in long run, maybe when you are 50 or so on, it's going to affect your kidneys. It's going to affect your liver. Okay, because mercury, our body doesn't have the system. God didn't the system to process or to detoxify mercury. No, mercury is a metal. It's a kind of metal. Yeah, so it cannot be processed in our body. So what happens in long run, our kidney, cannot process, and that's when you get early chronic kidney diseases. You fall in all this kidney failure, dialysis at young age. So teenagers has to be careful. That's why we say don't use mercury products. Our skin, our body, manusia punya badan cannot process mercury. But of course, you apply on the face, it will give you the Snow White thing. But it's for short term. It's short term. After you stop the product or you reduce the consumption and all that, or you use it for very long, it will start. You'll get back even worse than before. So be careful. So that's my advice for teenagers. Don't do that.
Okay, so based on your opinion just now, in your opinion, how can we spread awareness about this matter and prevent teenagers from using illegal beauty products? And what can we do to give them mental support as a part of society?
Okay, so in my opinion, like skin experts, for example, because nowadays everybody is using social media. Social media is like the nearest place for us to refer. Nak tahu tentang something, we just Google, we just see the Instagram, Facebook. So I would suggest those skin experts like the certified dermatologists, certified aesthetic practitioners, those general practitioners, GPs with extra interest in skin, these type of skin experts to maybe come up with a video or reel or something, to educate the public, educate the teenagers and all that. That's one way. And maybe we should come up with a campaign Yeah, you know, to highlight on these illegal products, what are the consequences of using these illegal skincares and all this, some way that we can do that. Okay, and
Using the social media is one.
alright, and kudos to all of you actually taking up this topic to, in a way, I mean, you guys are almost teenagers, in a way educating yourself and also educating your peers and colleagues. Okay, as much as you are educating your colleagues, try to spread this so that this type of wellness continues, other generations coming can, practice this type of projects and all.
Population interview. Do you have any suggestion for teens who wish to experience L clinic for the first time in terms of product or procedure?
Oh, for the teenagers.
Yeah.
Of course, we have come in for a consultation. So we are 3 doctors here. We are all skin experts. We have our certificates and courses and everything that we are actually certified in. So coming for a consultation, we will do a full examination on your face or on your body, whichever your concerns and needs, and we will, like I told earlier, we will tailor down, customize a skin assessment protocol for you, which will suit your skin conditions. For example, for teenagers, usually in our L clinic, most of them come with acne breakouts. So we have many treatment protocols, treatment options. For example, oral medications, makanan, tablets and all that, as well as topical to apply, as well as besides all this, what our biggest this one is we have lasers to remove acne lasers. To remove acne using lasers, chemical peels, mild chemical peels, mineral based, which can really kill the acne bacteria and all that, as well as we have medical grade skincare products, which can help to prevent acne breakouts as well as maintain your skin for the rest of your life. Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor, for your cooperation. Your opinion really bring a lot to teenagers that feel insecure out there. Nice to meet you and wish the best for your career.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm so glad to meet all of you. Thank you for interviewing me as well. And good luck in your project. Hope it helps you. Okay.
It's very helpful.
Thank you. Right.
After the interview session, Dr. Shah and L clinic staff brought us to look around their procedure room where there is a lot of equipment they use for their treatment to their customers.
So here we use the Q switch laser, which helps with acne. You have acne heaps, help to overcome your dark eye circles, as well as pigmentations like melasma, freckles, or even general whitening, lightening your skin. Then we even do here filler, Botox, all the injections as well. These are all medical recommendations.
We also took a lot of pictures with Dr. Shah. It is such a honorable moment for us, and thank you Dr. Shah and L clinic staff for making up and giving us this opportunity. We hope L clinic will fly higher.